Snow falls outside the window. I check again. The snow is heavy now. I try to open the cabin door, but the snow is too deep. I am stuck inside. This is an easy English story. Listen and learn. The forest is white. The sky is grey. Cold wind moves through the trees. I close the door slowly. I stand quietly by the door. Inside the cabin it is warm. The fire crackles softly. Orange light fills the room. I sit near the fire. I pull a blanket over my legs. I feel calm, but also a little nervous. The snow is getting stronger. I check the window again. More snow falls from the sky. I look at my phone. No signal. I cannot call anyone. I sit quietly. I listen to the fire. The wood crackles slowly. Inside the cabin, it is peaceful. I hear the wind blowing outside. I take a deep breath. I look around the cabin. I have food. I have water. There is wood for the fire. Everything is okay. I feel better now. I make hot soup. The soup smells nice. I make myself a hot drink. Then I sit by the window again. Snow covers the trees. Snow covers the road. Everything outside is white and quiet. Night comes slowly. The cabin feels smaller now. Smaller but warmer. I put more wood on the fire. The fire becomes brighter. I read a book for a while. Then I stop reading. I watch the fire instead. The room is peaceful. The snow continues outside. But inside I feel safe. Later I hear something outside. I stand up slowly. I look through the window. I stand very still. I see a deer in the snow. The deer walks quietly through the trees. I watch it carefully. Then it disappears into the white forest. I smile a little. The night feels calm again. I sit near the fire. I slowly sip my hot drink. The cabin is warm. The snow is still falling. And I feel happy here. Today there is heavy snow. I am stuck inside. I feel nervous at first, but the cabin is warm. I make soup and a hot drink. I sit by the fire. Then I see a deer outside in the snow. The night feels peaceful again. Thank you for listening. Watch another easy English story and continue learning.